Mooroopna man sentenced for depraved child abuse material. A Mooroopna deviant has learned his fate after police busted him with a stash of child abuse material on 2 phones and in his Facebook messages. A Mooroopna man busted with a stash of inherently depraved child abuse material on 2 phones and in his Facebook messages has avoided jail. Jessie Hanley, 38, was sentenced in Shepparton County Court on Tuesday after previously pleading guilty to child abuse material and weapons charges. Between November 13 and 15, 2023, Hanley accessed child abuse material through Facebook Messenger when 7 images were sent to his profile. His responses to those images included, "Hot," and "Smack that." On May 9, a search warrant was executed at his home and police found 2 mobile phones containing a total of 46 images containing child abuse material and an extendable baton. Judge Daniel Holding said the nature of the material on Hanley's phones was inherently depraved and abhorrent. He said possessing and accessing child abuse material was not a victimless crime, and the offending created a market for acts that created lifelong and severe harm to children. The court heard Hanley had a long history of mental illness, and was lonely and isolated after the death of his mother in 2021, who he was a full-time carer of, and his grandmother in 2024. Judge Holding said he took into account Hanley's mental and health and vulnerability, early plea of guilty, remorse and that he reached mature age without prior offending. He said there was a lack of aggravating circumstances with no commercial gain or dissemination of the material by Hanley. "I accept your mental health renders you vulnerable," he said. Judge Holding sentenced Hanley to 6 months imprisonment, but due to exceptional circumstances made an 18-month good behaviour order that allowed for immediate release. The order includes completing sex offender programs to reduce reoffending and any other treatment and rehabilitation ordered by a community corrections officer. "The purpose of the order is to give you one chance and to protect the community by you not going anywhere near child abuse material," he said. "If you do again, it's almost certain you will end up in jail." Hanley will be a registrable sex offender for the next 15 years. He was fined $100 for possessing a controlled weapon.